Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. If you've ever dreamed of creating high-impact product visuals without expensive photo shoots or hiring a full production team, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into a powerful AI tool that's making waves in the world of digital marketing, turning single images into stunning, studio-quality content in just minutes. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just love exploring the latest AI tools, this one's going to blow your mind. Let's see how you can go from concept to polished product promo faster than ever before, all with the help of a few smart clicks. Introducing TopView Product Avatars, an innovative AI-powered tool that's changing the game in digital product presentation. With just one image, you can generate hyper-realistic avatars that showcase your product beautifully. It's sleek, seamless, and incredibly effective for video marketing. With TopView, you can fully customize your avatar. Click on Modify Look, and you'll be able to choose the gender, age, and posture. Yes, even though it's text-based, the AI gives you remarkable control. You can even upload your own face to create a hyper-personalized avatar. Once you're all set, hit Generate. Once your avatar is ready, select it and upload your product image. Tap Replace with my product image and watch as the AI automatically removes the background, adjusts the positioning, and refines the details for a flawless finish. Click Confirm, and you're done. The results? Absolutely stunning. Crisp, clean, and professional. Your product has never looked this good. Let's try it with something fun. Say, a can of Pringles. Just follow the same steps, and you'll be amazed at how effortlessly the avatar brings it to life. You can regenerate the avatar, switch up the product, and the results remain consistently jaw-dropping.
I am TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Want more flexibility? You've got it. You can use your own script. Just type your prompt and hit Generate. Adjust video settings like file name and resolution, then click Export to get a polished video avatar.
Craving a snack that's bold, crispy, and impossible to resist? Grab a can of Pringles. With their iconic stackable shape and crave-worthy flavors, Pringles are the perfect companion for every moment. Whether you're chilling at home, powering through work, or sharing laughs with friends, pop open a can and taste the fun.
Whether it's for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, this tool helps your brand stand out with minimal effort. But that's not all. Now you can take it to the next level with Product AnyShoot by TopView AI, a tool that lets you place any product into any background with just a few clicks. Perfect for online sellers, creators, and marketers alike. Here's how easy it is. First, upload a clear image of your product. Then choose your template, upload your own, or explore TopView AI's library of high-converting templates. Use the simple brush and eraser tools to place and blend your product seamlessly into the scene. Hit Generate, and the AI does the magic. It'll auto-match the lighting, shadows, and angles for a hyper-realistic finish. As a bonus, you can turn your image into a dynamic product video with built-in animations and smooth transitions. Boost engagement and conversions with zero editing skills required. And that's the power of AI-powered avatar marketing. With tools of TopView, you can elevate your content, simplify your workflow, and create scroll-stopping visuals in minutes. Whether you're crafting graphics for a campaign social media, or your next big launch, this AI tech makes it easy and fun. No design experience needed. Just enter your prompt, pick a style, tweak a few settings, and let the magic happen. Ready to transform your brand visuals? Click the link in the description to try it out and start creating like a pro today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Finder for more cutting-edge tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.